Okay, it is now connected. My software is now connected via MQTT. So here I have MQTT kind of acting as a database, but not really. All of the GUIs are subscribing to values. So for example, here I have center value control type. So this is the next step. So it'll be a slider and it will be a value of 1 min max and then units in megahertz. I also need step in there. So this will become a slider control once I get that up and running. So I have, different things for bandwidth, RBW, here's all that, amplitude, here's all that. It'll automatically generate the GUI for me. So here is value, right? So these are markers. So it has a value, a read and write. And you can see, okay, well, so this one here is a label. So it'll generate a label. Traces, eventually it will be a drop down. And is it selected? Yes, no, maybe so. Markers, okay, so here I've got it. This is all coming from MQTT. So the MQTT pushes values to this. This subscribes to it. Same thing here, drop down. But look at all the parameters. So all these parameters are defined in MQTT, and then this just subscribes to it and does that. Here's all the presets, right? So if I have presets, here's all the values of a preset. I can export it to a CSV or import it. Actually, no, I can't import it yet. I'm not there yet. Bands, configuration, plotting, single, 3D, statistical, averaging, metadata, wireless components, amplifiers, and experiments. So here's all the file paths, right? And all of this data and all of this GUI is being generated just based on the values that are stored. Not so much stored, but the messages. So the messages for MQTT make this display. So lots of work left to do to tie it back into the devices. But now, one change, all the tabs are updated. One change, all the things that are subscribed to it get there. And what I did was I created all these data sets based on my previous experiments. So I have 12,308 topics in MQTT. And once you get into it, it's like massive. Your collections, constants, configurations, devices, meta, constants, collections. Here's the markers, here's the preset collection, constants, application settings, file paths, marker settings, plotting, the report. What kind of stuff is in the report, how the presets work, how the sweeps work. Basically, everything about the software is pushed to MQTT. And I have my own reasons for that. And it's not a database. I know. But soon I will tell. But not now. Soon.